Today we're going to be talking about your Instagram bio, why it matters, how it can help you gain more followers and thus more sales. So essentially, the Instagram bio is like a call to action. It is your homepage, it is your website. Though that little what you put in that text can greatly increase, what happens when somebody comes to your page and whether they follow you or not. I've seen some bad bios done. I've seen some good bios done, and you want to have a good bio. It's not hard. It takes very little time, but you definitely want to keep it concise. So off the hop, the title of your page. If we're in the diet niche, paleo diet. Paleo diet, your resource for the best paleo diet, information available. You can do one step of, explaining a little bit more. I have you can do like hashtag paleo, hashtag weight loss with a couple emojis. I always love emojis. I recommend emojis in the bio for sure. And then most importantly, most crucially in your bio, a lot of people do not do this, and it's so simple to really increase your conversions. Literally, tell people to follow you.
Tell people to follow you.
Tell people to follow you.
A lot of accounts will not literally physically say, follow us for more great diet tips or follow us for inspiration. I actually like to use the emoji either pointing up or down, towards, hey, follow us, click that button for more inspiration. And that should be the last thing they see when they read, this is about the paleo diet, great, a couple hashtags, maybe some emojis, great, and then follow us now. And it's telling me what to do. Because if I'm on an account and I have 2 seconds to review their account, hey, I found a cool picture, let me check out the account, okay, cool. The last thing I'm gonna read that bio in about 3 seconds. The last thing I'm gonna read better be that call to action, follow us here. Now, I'm gonna explain why a lot of people do it wrong when they're first starting out. I think that this hinders your growth for followers, especially. When you're sub 1,000 people, I do not recommend selling anything. Don't put anything in your link. I know it's counterintuitive. You have to think long-term here. Don't put anything in your link until you've hit 1,000 at least. I didn't put anything in there until I was past 10,000. The reason being is, if you're a person that has 2 seconds to look at someone's bio, and I have 2 choices. I see what the page is about, then I see follow us now. Okay, great, I can follow them. But below that, now I have check out our link for our free diet book. And then the free book is gonna get you, a sale because when they pay for shipping, whatever it is, or you're telling them to do something. So you're splitting this person. It's like if I have 3 seconds to think of what to do I follow them? Do I buy their stuff? So you've just cut now 50% of people might do either. So someone's gonna either follow you or someone's gonna check your stuff. Now, if they check your stuff, so now, you went from 100%, now 50% are gonna check your stuff, and let's say only 10% buy, right? But because your follower count's already super low, what's your chance of converting them? How many sales you're really gonna make? I recommend going long-term. I recommend no link in the bio, even without a call to action. Even if you still had follow us today for more inspiration, boom, but you still have a link there, you're gonna still split people, because I'm gonna think, okay, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna click this link or follow? Now you might say, oh, they're gonna click the link, they're gonna come back and follow, but it's 2019, guys. We're so bombarded with things every day. The chances of them, there is a high chance that if they think about following or clicking the link and they click the link, they're not gonna come back. They're gonna check out the page, they're gonna buy or they're not, and they're gonna move on, right? So you're gonna lose potential followers. And I think of a follower as recurring, right? So if you get one follower, that person could buy from you from years and years rather than they click your link, don't buy, and they're gone forever, right? They're gone forever. So I want to encourage you to think long-term, especially in your bio. And I think that hack, especially below a sub 1,000 followers, is a huge hack. And I used it to grow mine like crazy. I always have comments from people I remember doing a focus group with people and why did you originally follow? And they felt that the account felt more authentic. When they first saw it, I didn't have a crazy amount of followers, but I wasn't trying to sell them anything. So people resonate with that. And when they see that you're not trying to sell them anything, it's a little bit of more organic rather than, oh, it's just another page. Obviously they're gonna try to sell me stuff. But mine, it was just hey guys, have this free content. It's gonna be what you love all the time. And you're gonna love it. And we don't require anything from you, just your follow. That's all we want. And then on the back end, later down the line, when you have 50,000, 100,000 followers, Then you start monetizing. These people will become loyal followers at this point. They know your brand, they know your page, and they'll want to purchase from you. So definitely suggestion on the bio, but as far as what to put in your bio, keep it short, keep it simple. Definitely use emojis. And you can use that magic spacer in your bio to make it not all have to go to the left, or for you guys, it's the left side. You know, you can space it out right in the middle. So definitely important bio tip, and a little hack that I don't know anyone that's talked about this, where when you don't have too many followers, don't even put a link. Don't try to monetize. Don't just follow us for more of this, because that person will become a buyer later on. And in the beginning, it's important to grow your page. Once you hit 1,000, it's a lot easier to snowball. People see that 1,000. So that's my hack for today. Have a great day, guys. Stay tuned for more Instagram videos. Grow your brand.
Hey, entrepreneurs. Did you guys love that video? We're going to love the next two we picked just for you. Check them out over here, and we'll see you there.